This is a universal Super 711. It seems to have the same stitch setup as some Morse machines I've seen. It's got a selector here on the front and 22 built-in stitches with buttonhole. But there are 2 thread spools or pins here, and it does support 2 needle sewing. To wind a bobbin, we're going to start on our first spool pin, well, either one. The thread guide on the back here. Once you go through the thread guide, circle around the winding button. So thread guide around the winding button, and then over to the bobbin. And the bobbin winder pops into place, and it's got the hand wheel clutch nut on the end. After winding a bobbin on the Super 711, get that off our bobbin winder. I'm going to use the same thread guide that's on the winder tensioner, and then there's a thread guide on the back lower part of the machine. Is this thread guide tube from the front to the back, or back to the front here, and this tube has a hook on the end, left side and right side. You can use that with single needle threading, but it's there for twin needle. So if you're running 2 threads, you need to run through the left hand side hook with 1 thread, come out around the tensioner, up behind the take-up spring finger, which is hidden behind this larger tension dial, and then go into the take-up arm. And then this thread guide here at the bottom front of the machine has 2 positions in it. So for twin needle threading, you would use left position, and then the needle bar clamp, and the machine threads from front to rear. And of course, if you're twin needle threading, you would use the left guides for the left needle, and the right guide here and right guide here for the right side of the needle. For regular single thread operation, you don't have to worry about the guide here, and for this lower guide you can just put the thread in either side of it. This is a front load class 15 machine. So bobbin goes in, unrolling clockwise under the hook here behind the spring, and then grab our latch, push it in place, tug on the thread to make sure it's seated.